Get ready, Genshin Impact fans! Mark your calendars because Lantern Rite 2026 might be the most exciting character addition in years. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the gaming and tech updates. According to fresh leaks, version 6.3 is set to introduce a new 5-star Adeptus from Liu, known as the White Horse Adeptus, and they're rumored to have deep ties with Zhongli himself. The leak is shared by trusted sources, and it claims this new mysterious character will arrive as part of the Luna 4 patch, just in time for the game's annual Chinese New Year celebration. While details are still under wraps, the title White Horse Adeptus suggests a celestial or mythological theme, continuing Genshin's tradition of combining folklore and Liu lore. This reveal would follow the recent additions of Lauma, Aino, and Flint, and they all come as anticipation builds around other Tease characters like Nefer, Jehoda, and Columbina. Version 6.3 is all set to connect Liu's rich story to future arcs, especially with more characters stepping into the spotlight. But that's not all. The broader version 6.0 cycle is bringing major changes too, including the long-rumored arrival of Knights of Favonius, Grandmaster Varka. And for creative minds, Hoyoverse is teasing Miliastra Wonderland, a new user-generated content mode that lets players create and share their own mini-games within Genshin Impact. Sounds cool, right? This version is expected to drop in mid-January 2026. Version 6.3 isn't just a festive update, but a whole milestone for the game, and with powerful new characters, deeper lore, and player-made content, Genshin Impact is about to open a brand new chapter, and it's looking legendary already. Are you excited for version 6.3? Comment down below, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.